What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. What's up, my J-Dots and baby J's? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social medias. And yeah, on this channel we basically do vlogs sometimes when I be going somewhere, hair tutorials, and also try on hauls. This is a piano type of highlighted wig from Tinashe hair. Thank you, Tinashe hair, for sponsoring this video. I have everything pertaining to this hair down below in the description box. Let's just get right into this video on this beautiful wig. It came in a box. You know, I just showed you the box that it came in. Also came in this beautiful pink package. The inch is 24 inch, so it stops about below my boob, maybe some inches below my boob. This is a 13x4 frontal, and inside the bag, the paper, you know, informational I was about to say construction instructions for the wig, you know, hair care. It also comes with these cute lashes, very cute, and it says 3D mink lashes. I don't know about y'all, but these companies are upgrading their lashes, y'all. Like, they used to give us like railroad track type of vibe. Now it's giving, you know, fluffy, cute. And what else comes in here is a bonnet. So now we're gonna get into the shipping, how fast it came, pros and cons on the hair, you know, real details of the hair. So the shipping came in like 1 week and some change. Like, it didn't come like exactly in the week. And this is their highlighted honey blonde straight wig. As y'all know, I did this on my channel before. It was a closure though, so basically it was just a T-part, nothing on the side, so it was just like a closure. And this is basically a frontal, y'all, and we're gonna get into the frontal in a second because I need to let y'all, before you go and buy it, I gotta let you know. This is a pre-plucked wig. The color that I got it in is a 427 because I know they got a 1B30, so I did get the 427. A con is the lace is super light. Like it's like brown but light. I don't know how to explain it. I literally did not pluck anything but my part. I just put it on, and this is the first wig that I actually just put on straight out the pack. I did not wash it, so this is not the full like wig. Like, you know, when you wash hair it gets super big, and once you flat iron it, it's still thick. This is not how it looked washed, so this is just straight out the package. And I did receive 150 density, so it's not super full but it's not super thin. And reason why I wanted to do it straight out the pack, it was just to show y'all, like, you know, how it gives like straight out the pack. And the frontal is really nice. Like, the baby hairs were super nice. It's just the lace was super light for me. The hair was super soft when it came out the pack, so I was like, sis, we don't even have to, you know, do too much with this hair. And like, it's super soft. Like, y'all can see, like, it gives a pro on this hair is that it is super manageable. Like, I don't get any tangles or, you know, a lot of shedding, because maintenance on hair that sheds, you have to keep sweeping it up, all that other stuff. This hair does not really shed. All I do in the morning time is just wake up, flat iron it. I hope y'all enjoyed this little install that I did on this wig. If y'all have any questions on this wig, don't forget to comment down below and I'll make sure I get to them. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.